Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking currency futures, let's talk about a yen that was down over 1% today. Bank of Japan Governor Hirohiko Kuroda spoke to a financial news station here in the U.S. and stressed from the standpoint of the BOJ that easy money was needed. It was needed to be continued for quite a while now. When pressed on what quite a while meant, he stressed possibly 2 to 3 more years, which really hit the yen. Now, he did say that this is just a forecast and the Bank of Japan shouldn't be held to this, which makes sense to most people, but still people who were looking at long yen as one of their core positions, as the Bank of Japan talked a little hawkishly about a month and a half ago, seemed to exit those positions pretty quickly today. He also stressed that he is anti-protectionism, anti-inward looking, and anti-economic nationalism. He talked about protectionism being dangerous and damaging to global economies, obviously a shot toward the Trump administration. So that also helped with the sort of view that his particular stance is that they're going to need easier money if protectionism were to continue. Now, there was some bright side in terms of protectionism overall. Steve Mnuchin was very positive on a proposed trip to China. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin talked about making a trip to China to possibly discuss trade differences. He thought they could bridge the gap if they had a face-to-face meeting. This made for a little bit stronger of a dollar, which quite frankly would hurt the deficit, which the executive branch has been a strong proponent of reducing, but the dollar really jumped, which of course added to the woes for the Japanese yen on the downside. But again, Chinese officials said they would welcome this trip, so it was a pretty positive sign overall for the economy, kept stocks from probably crumbling a little bit more than they seemed like they might on the onset of trade today. So Japanese yen down over 1%, seemed mostly like long liquidation from the comments from the BOJ. This is Bob Iaccino talking yen futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.